Hi everyone, here we've got REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is obviously required, and then we can enter the Play Store, so simply tap here. Now we can tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. Now let's wait a second for the updates, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all available updates from which we can choose. Obviously you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button here, but if you'd like to update only one of them or two, all you have to do is simply find them in the list. So let me pick, for example, maybe Google Maps, and tap on update. As you can see, they disappear but immediately appear at the very top of the list, and right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.